As Valentine's Day is approaching, I am excited to share this resource with you. I have used this in my class in the past, and my students have loved it. So this one is for solving equations. I have another one that's 7th grade rational numbers, so you can check that one out in my store as well. The first few slides here, you can read through these. It just gives you some instructions. You can change this however you want if you don't want to do groups, or if you don't want to use whiteboards, or if you only want to use whiteboards, things like that are fine. It does talk about in the last few pages here that you can print these out for your students to work through and do the problems on, and then also the answer key for you. All right, so the way this would work is I would start here on slide 5, and I'd present this so the students, as they're coming in, know that we're going to be playing a game. And then this gives you the instructions for them. This slide is editable so that you can change this if you want to change the instructions for your students. Then the next one, it has the first problem. They do the problem, and then you click the button, and the answer comes up so you can quickly check which groups got the right answer. The next slide is where they'll pick a Valentine. And there are positive point values, there are negative point values. So they just tell you a number, or they can go up to a screen and they can pick it themselves. And they pick a Valentine, and it tells them how many points they got for that round. You'll notice that if you're not in present mode, that you can edit these. So if you didn't want to have negatives, you can take those out. I had in my class the highest positive team wins and also the lowest negative. But if you want to change that, that's fine. So you go through and you can see that there's all these problems, and then it starts to get a little bit of interesting things here with the points, taking away positive points or taking away negative or multiplying by negative, just some fun things to throw in little twists as they're playing the game. I hope that your students enjoy this as much as mine did.